How to tag someone on Facebook. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started with this video. First, open Facebook on your device. Now, there are two ways on how you can tag someone. The first one is by creating a new post. So tap on what's on your mind. From here, you can find the tag people option. Tap on it and you're going to find the list of your friends. Now you can simply tap on the person that you want to tag. Now head back and here you can see at the top that person's account name is showing. So now you can simply post something. You can post videos or photos as well, then tap on post, and this is how you can tag someone on a new post. If you want to tag someone on an existing post, then tap on your profile icon and that should take you to your profile. Now scroll down and find the post where you want to tag someone. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From here you want to tap on edit post. Now find this icon and from here you can select the list of people that you want to tag. Now head back and now tap on save, and this is how you can tag someone on Facebook. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.